Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to English with Nasrin. Today I'll show you how to use Suno AI to create your own songs in just a few minutes. The first step is to go to the Suno website and sign in or create an account. It's very easy and simple. And then you're actually going to start with creating your own song. Once you're actually in, on the left side you can see create. You click on it. So again, once you're in, you are asked to fill in a song description. You can write a song description and Suno will generate a song for you, or you can actually type your own lyrics. If you have a theme and you want to generate a song with lyrics at a specific CEFR level, you can use online resources for help. I usually use ChatGPT, but you can also try Google Gemini, Claude, or Microsoft Copilot. And as you can see here, I'm typing a poem about dreams. The CEFR level is A2. I want the song to be, or poem, simple, short, for my students, and I could add anything else that is relevant. So here ChatGPT generated a short poem for me about dreams, and the lines are short. I check the vocabulary. If I find it at a matching level for my students, then I simply copy it and paste it in the section where it says song description on the website of Suno. So after choosing the style, I click on create. Each time I get two different versions of the song. So here it's generating the two versions for the same lyrics and the same song that I entered into the description. It normally takes just a few seconds to be generated. So as you could see, now it's ready. Let's listen to the song.
I have dreams in my heart. They shine for me at night. I want to learn and grow. I want my smile to show. Some dreams are big and bright. Some dreams start very small. I work a little each day. I do not stop at all. Dreams in my heart. Dreams in my heart. With hope inside my heart. My dream.
So this is the first version. Now let's listen to the other version.
Can touch the sky. I have dreams in my heart. They shine for me at night. I want to learn and grow. I want my smile to show. Some dreams are big and bright. Some dreams start very small. I work a little each day. I do not stop at all. Dreams in.
If I'm happy with the results, I simply download them. If not, I can edit the words or change the style. However, I am limited by the number of songs I can create depending on my credit points. But after 24 hours, I can create songs again for free. Here's another song that I generated about the theme of friendship.
My friend is kind. My friend is nice. We play together. That feels so nice.
So to download the song, I click on the three dots on the right side of the screen and I simply click on download. I hope you found this video short and simple and that it helped you learn how to use Suno AI to create your own songs easily. Enjoy exploring different styles and have fun making music.